Hello everyone, it's a beautiful day here in the Emirate city of Ilorin. In this video, I am discussing with you how to buy or register on an IDO presale in a DEX and sell on a CEX after listing. How to buy or register on an IDO presale in a DEX and sell on a CEX after listing. This is a step-by-step guide. Participating in an initial DEX offering called IDO gives early investors the opportunity to buy new crypto tokens at presale prices, often before they are listed on major centralized exchanges called CEX, where wider exposure can lead to higher prices. In this video, I'll give you a comprehensive practical guide on how to buy or register for an IDO on a DEX and later sell your tokens on a CEX once they are listed. Number one strategy is to understand what IDO and presales are. An IDO, that is initial DEX offering, is a fundraising method where new crypto tokens are launched and sold directly on a decentralized exchange called DEX, such as Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or SushiSwap, and many others. Investors can buy tokens at the presale price, often before the token is widely available. Currently, X365 token is selling at 100 times less than their projected listing price. So it is still open now. You can try and see if you can take part in that and buy. Number two, how do you register and buy in an IDO presale or on a DEX? Step one, set up a crypto wallet. Download and install a compatible wallet, e.g. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Ledger Nano X. Ensure your wallet supports the blockchain network the IDO is launching on, e.g. whether it is Ethereum, BNB, chain, or others. Then the next thing you do is you have to fund your wallet. Purchase the required cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum, BNB, or USDT, from a centralized exchange, that is CEX, like Binance or Coinbase or other such. Then transfer the funds to your crypto wallet. Step 3, find and register for the IDO. Research upcoming IDOs on trusted platforms, e.g. Polka Starter, CoinList, Binance Launchpad, and many more. Some IDOs require you to apply for an allow list, that is whitelist. This may involve holding or staking the platform's native token, e.g. POS for POS Starter. Submitting KYC may also be required, the details, and joining the project's community for updates. Once allowed listed, you will be eligible to participate in the sale. Step 4 is for you to participate in the IDO. On launch day, connect your wallet to the DEX or Launchpad hosting the IDO. At the scheduled time, enter the IDO smart contract address and purchase the desired amount of tokens at the presale price. Then confirm the transaction and wait for the tokens to be credited to your wallet. Now, the next thing you need to do after the IDO, selling your tokens on a centralized exchange. How do you do that? Step 1, you wait for the CEX listing. After the IDO, projects often announce upcoming listings on major centralized exchanges such as Binance, KuCoin, or Gate.io, or even Bybit, and many more. Monitor official project channels for listing announcements. You can also monitor this YouTube channel as to bring you listing announcements on different crypto and even the projected market prices or listing prices. Then you transfer tokens to the CEX. Once the token is listed, create or log in to your account on the CEX. Find your deposit address for the token on the CEX. Send the tokens from your wallet to the CEX deposit address, ensuring you select the correct blockchain network. Then the next thing you need to do is to sell your tokens. After the tokens arrive in your CEX account, navigate to the trading platform or the trading section. Select the trading pair, the token versus USDT. Then you place a sell order at your desired price or use a market order for instant selling. Then you withdraw your proceeds to your bank or another wallet as you need it. Now, here are the tips for best practices. Use trusted platforms. Only participate in IDOs on reputable launchpads and DEX to avoid scams. Complete KYC early. If required, submit your KYC documents ahead of time to avoid missing the sale window. Check tokenomics and vesting. Understand if there are vesting periods or lockups before you can sell your tokens. Be aware of risks. Crypto presales are high risk. Prices can be volatile after listing. As a conclusion, you need to know that buying in an IDO presale on a DEX and selling on a CEX can be a profitable strategy if you follow the right steps. Set up your wallet, fund it, register and participate in the IDO. Then transfer and sell your tokens on a CEX after listing. Always use trusted platforms. Follow project updates and be mindful of the risks and requirements at every stage. If you have any question for me regarding what I have spoken about, you can drop it in the comment section below and I will be there within 24 hours to respond. This video is made by popular demand from one of my viewers on this channel and I hope you have found value from it. Dr. Adetitun Olubenga is the name, and this is the Dr. Adetitun Olubenga YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and with your friends. And I want you to keep coming back for more. I want you to join me in mining Pi. If you have not started mining Pi, through that you mine the Pi coin and then you get crypto for free. Also, you can join me in mining Delta. Delta also, you mine and then you get tokens for free when they list. Also join me in mining other crypto airdrops like this, like Pi, like Delta, like S365, and also like Ruby and many more. I will leave the link to these crypto airdrops in the description section of this video so that you can participate in it. Please again subscribe to this channel if you have gained value, like this video, share the link of this video with family and friends, and if you have questions or comments, ask them in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side on this very video now is the one you should click now, click it now and go ahead and watch it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.